Hello everyone, welcome to the online video tutorial for markers. This is the first tutorial of 2024 and I am going to create several short videos about markers. This is the online manual. And what is markers? Markers is a set of indicators that we can see here, all the components. They are inside the folder, the indicator store. So when you go to indicators, you double click on this folder and you can find all markers tools, and also if you have an indicator from the indicator store. What can you do with markers? You can define your own logic, bring signals when that logic is true, and of course automate those signals. So you can also automate signals from another indicators. Just an example. Then we can go in more detail. Let's say that I want to create and automate signals when a line changes the slope. For example, let's say an HMA. This one. And I want to create a signal each time the slope changes from going up to going down, etc. Maybe it works better with a faster HMA, maybe 34 for the period. So now the signals should be here. One of the many tools that we can use is markers slope. So this is just a brief example of what we can do. Then I am going to create a dedicated video for this tool. But with marker slope, we choose the visual signal, audio signals, and the most important is what I want to detect the slope. On input series, we select the indicator, plot, and settings. For example, I click on input series and search in the indicator list. I can choose any of the indicators installed on the platform. On this case, I am interested in the HMA with a period of 34. It is not going to draw the line. It is just going to draw a histogram that is related with the slope of the line. The bigger the blue part is when the uptrend is bigger. And when it is reddish or negative, the bigger the magnitude, the bigger the slope to the downside of the line. And of course, when we have a crossover by 0 is when we have a signal, a change in the direction of the slope. Those arrows that you can see are painted by default, but we can change those arrows. Sorry, not this. This is on what are we detecting on markers. So we need to change on marker slope on the other indicator here. So on marker slope, we can select which is the visual signal. My preference is painting the background. And instead of those arrows, we get something more visible, in my opinion. We can also place vertical lines with a width of 3, with a dash line style. The same for the long signals. And you get something like this. But anyway, you can choose any visual signal. But the most important is that we can create a signal so markers can automate those signals. What we call a fast signal. Because if you want to automate objects, that's okay. We can automate those vertical lines or whatever. For example, if we select arrows, arrow up and arrow down for the visible signals, sorry, this is inverted. For the short, we need an arrow down. Okay? And this is what the indicator is painting. We can, on markers, search for an object. We can detect arrow ups and arrow downs in the same color. Here we can see that markers is looking for arrows. But the new method is using what I call fast signals, detecting plots. So the detection of a plot is a lot faster than detecting objects. In that case, on markers slope, we can set it to create fast signals. And it is going to create two, one for longs and another for shorts. So we type the name of the fast signal, and then on markers, we can just, instead of looking for an object, we look for a fast signal. And that's all. So now markers is looking for a fast signal, go long and go short. And the indicator is creating those fast signals, but also painting visual signals. And we can choose any visual signal for that. What is going to execute markers when the signal is detected? Briefly, because we are going to cover that on another video. We need an account, and also we need an ATM. With the ATM, you define the trade size, the number of positions, targets, etc. So you select Chart Trader, and here you select one of your created ATMs, or just create a new one. For example, the stop and the profit. You can also select a lot of things here, like multiple positions, trailings, etc. You save this with a name, and then select that template name, the ATM, and click here. So markers is now using that ATM, and then you select an account. For example, if I want to use the 102, then you click on the button. Now you can enable all the longs, all the shorts, so detect and execute all the long and short signals in fully automatic mode. More info on following videos. Thank you. Bye bye.